Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Let's get into the daily market recap. Will be a quick one today because there's really not a whole lot that is going on in the markets. So, big picture story right now. Obviously, a lot of different headlines circulating around, and this is keeping the market kind of pinned in a way. VIX is holding lower, but overall, we're just really in a holding pattern with everything. The market's waiting for more to develop. And overall, it's positive that it's been holding up the gains. I think there's some level of anticipation something can positive can develop, even due to some of the negative headlines we've seen. If you read some of the headlines, they seem kind of negative, but you're seeing how the market is responding, and it's just holding. It's not going lower. So that tells you something. It's either calloused to not really give much weight to anything until there's certainty, or it is telling us that things might be a little bit closer to being better off than they previously have been. So we'll see. I mean, we don't know until we know. So we just have to kind of let this unfold. Overall, this is like I think the J Money had just mentioned. This is the lowest volume day since December. So just really not a whole lot going on. We're around the 6,600 spot. If we continue to hold 6,600, we've got 6,630 above that, and then about 6,650 after. If we start to dip, 65.56 is immediate support. There's not really any major support until 64.80, 70 area. And there are some levels within the range to watch on the way down if we were to fade. That's really all. As for playbook trades today, the only thing I saw that was worthy of, like reviewing is, by my playbook anyways, is Tesla. So Tesla, we had it on the weekly watch list. You have this 359 level. It's been a relatively weak stock in a downtrend, as we can well see. And then we had this first front side move up at the open that turned lower aggressively and then broke that 359. It offered two different entries and ended up being a really, really solid trade. So congrats if you followed that one. That was really the only thing I saw today. Costco was a good trade as well. Space Monkey's good at these names. Kind of a dip and rip off the open. Very technical. And on the higher time frame looks really good as it is breaking out of this trend line. Outside of that, watch listen to tomorrow. We got SNDK. Really just an inside day. It's not an inside day per se, but that's like the type of action anyway. Consolidation day. Didn't really do a whole lot. Just digesting some of the gains, some of the move in the last couple of days. So I got a bit caught in this range. Tried taking this trade here, and then we just really didn't do anything. Not enough volume, not enough participation for that to really play out. So maybe we get something tomorrow, either a failed breakdown and gap fill, or a break of the prior day high at 736. We'll start a bigger move. So look out for both of those. Tesla, just look for continuation as long as we hold below 352, 350. Can target that 344. Marvell, big clean test at 111.55, going all the way back to last year's price action near the highs. If we can manage to pop above that, you could see some nice momentum to 120. XOM, very defined. It's off the lows here, but really defined level at 159.60. So if we were to get any negative headlines, something to watch there for the downside. Costco, as we mentioned, nice trade today. We tested 1,020, respected that. We have this local high at 1,028 above that we could target. And then if it breaks through that, then you have kind of more room to run another 20 or 30 points. Amazon looks a bit more ready. It's sort of coiled up. It's had a hard range to fight through, but the 212.80 level is super defined. So we've got numerous tests: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pretty much 9 tests. Probably a couple more I missed at this area. Call it 213. If it can break through that, it has shown a bit more strength today than some other names. Had some news as well. So tomorrow's continuation or just a breakout of this 212 area for a move back towards 215, 220. And then last but not least, MBIS 114. Watch this 114 area. Really nice continuation move today, actually, as we have aggressively got back through 100. This 114 could be a momentum trade to 121. If not, give it a couple days and see how it responds on dips. That's it. I'll keep it quick for us going into tomorrow. We'll continue to watch headlines, and that's pretty much all we can do. And once bigger themes show up or some bigger trades, like we saw last week, we'll be ready to pounce. So have a great rest of your evening, and I'll catch you all in the room tomorrow morning.